Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some heavy hitters for you, so stay tuned. They are coming right up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got some heavy hitters for you to check out. We got 3 in all. I'm thinking you're going to like all 3 of these. All right, you all, let's get started. The name of the watch face is called Lumin Apache. This one here looks nice. Now, in the always on mode, it looks good. You're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part. But when it's on, you get a little bit more that's going on with the detailing in the background. You're going to save some battery life with this one, but in the background, it really looks nice. I like the detailing of this. I like the way the developer thought this out. I'm going to give 2 thumbs up for this one in the door. I also like the indexes, right? And this deuce going on over here really sets it off so far as character is concerned. Now you got battery info that's in the middle. You come down, you're going to get a PM stamp. You're going to get your digital time, which means that you get the best of both worlds. And you're going to get your date, and that's going to be right there. Now, what I like about the detailing of this watch face, you see what PM is? If you look on the side, you got AM. So when it's AM, that AM is going to light up. And then on the opposite side, it got 24 hours. So if you're using 24 hours, the 24 hours is going to show up. This is an awesome looking watch face. Now, it does not have steps or anything like that, but if you double tap, you can get your messages, which is important to a lot of us, right? But what I like about this watch face is that if you're talking about hitting the town and you're talking about setting it off and looking good is important that day, then this is definitely the watch face you want to check out. All right, you all, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is called Lumin Socom. This one is also nice. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. But when it's on, again, the detailing of this watch face is very nice. But what I think that stands out most about this watch face is the uniqueness in the index that's going around the bezel of the watch, and it's lit up in all blue. You also get digital time, which means that you get the best of both worlds. You get a PM stamp, you get a second hand, you get your date right here, and you get the days of the week down at the bottom. Also, you're going to get your battery meter right there. This is definitely a good look, a nice dress up watch face. Yes, you can dress down in this, but this would definitely go good with a dress attire. What do you think? All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Number 3 is called Lumin Marsoc. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. I'm liking the look when it's on. I like what's going on around the bezel of the watch. I thought that was a real good look. But you get a huge animation of your seconds, if that's important to you. But you also get the day of the week, your date, the month. You come down, what you're going to get is your hour and your minute hand, which pretty much look the same as the 2 before it. You come down, you're going to get the best of both worlds because you get a digital time, whether it be AM or PM, which I like, and you get your battery percentage is going to be right there, and right here, the other X is being covered by the long hand is going to be for your AM PM stamp. Now, I'm liking the look of this watch face because it's different. Again, this one here, you can go either way. You can dress up or dress down, but all in all, it is definitely a great looking watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on all 3 watch faces. And if you liked it, please go ahead, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.